Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love to have a warm, delicious bowl of soup on a cold day? Well, I am a huge fan of that. And I also like something that is really convenient when I'm super busy. So I want to show you this Campbell's Well Yes soup. This is the roasted chicken with rice. And this is a really nice option to keep in the pantry because first of all, it is prepared. It is super easy to heat and eat. And it tastes delicious, and it is made with more purposeful and healthier ingredients than a lot of traditional canned soups. So I like the flavor on this one. It has a rich bone broth, it has rice, and I feel like the sweet corn that is in this is also a really nice touch and a little bit different from a regular chicken and rice soup. You're gonna love that rich and tasty flavor and the fact that it is a huge time saver. So if you need a quick and tasty meal, definitely check out this Campbell's Well Yes soup, and that is my point of view.